Hey guys, today I am gonna show you how I created this stunning brown smoky eye look step by step. So let's get started. Firstly, we are going to prep the eyelids. I am using 2 to 3 shade lighter concealer. You can use any eyeshadow base also. Just a single layer on the upper eyelid and blend it out evenly. I am using a brush to blend concealer. You can blend by a beauty blender also. This step is important to make sure that our eyeshadow stays in place. Next, I have taken loose powder in a fluffy brush and I am setting the concealer with it. Make sure you blend the concealer properly and there are no creases before setting it with loose powder. Starting with a cream contour from Sugar Cosmetics as a base for this eye look. I have applied it all over my lids below my crease line, then blending out the harsh edges with a small blending brush. I have stretched my eyebrows with my fingers to make my blending easy. Guys, you have to apply a little bit pressure to soften the edges. Then take a dark brown color from palette and slowly start depositing on the lid. Applying a powder eyeshadow on cream product will give us that rich depth and a smoky effect. Now we are going to use a light brown shade as our transition color. I have taken a big fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend transition color. Guys, please ensure that your blending of colors must be proper to give an overall blended look. Just notice how I am moving the brush in circular motions. You have to deposit this color in outer corner and blend it into the crease, bringing it slightly inward. Further, I have taken black kajal pencil and applied just where you apply your liner close to your lash line. It's absolutely fine if you are not very good in applying your liner, like you feel that you cannot be very smooth with it. So if your liner is not precise, it's absolutely fine. Now you have to take a small pencil brush and blend out the uneven edges of the liner. The motion of the brush should be back and forth motion because the liner is a cream product. Also at the outer corner, I am extending the liner little bit to give that snatched and smoky effect. Now add some kohl onto the waterline. I am now going to smudge out the lower lash line with a black eyeshadow. Make sure you connect the edges of both top and lower part. Then I am adding a lighter brown shade and blend everything out with a small eyeshadow brush. Completing this look by curling my lashes and topping it off with a single coat of mascara to give a length and volume to my lashes. Also, I love adding a little bit of highlighter on the brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. It makes my eyes look more enhanced. And here is the final look. Do let us know in comments if you have any queries. Also guys, do follow us on Instagram. Link is given below in the description. See you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.